I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you test problem, and these are the challenge questions on exponents. Question here is simplify and then evaluate for the given value. So we have x to the power of 1 over 3, y to the power of 1.2, x times y whole square divided by cube root of x square divided by y to the power of 4, where x is equals to 8 and y equals to minus 1. Now here we have one term as y to the power of 1.2. Now this you could write as y to the power of 12 over 10, which is y to the power of 6 over 5 in fractions, correct? Or you can use it in decimals also. So either way you can solve this equation and simplify. So that's all up to you, okay? Now and then later when you simplify, substitute x equals to 8 and y equals to minus 1 to find your answer. Now I'm thinking which approach to apply. Okay, so we will use fractions. It's sometimes difficult to work with fractions. It's easy to work with decimals actually. Okay, so both ways we can do it actually. So let's use fractions first. So we have x to the power of 1 over 3, y to the power of, as I simplified, 6 over 5. Okay, 6 over 5. And here we have x square, and then we have y square. So we just apply the power rule here, divided by cube root means 2 over 3. So we have x 2 over 3 divided by y to the power of 4 over 3. Correct? So that is what you get. Now we can rewrite this. When we say divide by this term, we could also say let us combine a few terms, or okay, we'll combine it later. X to the power of 1 over 3, let me write them together at least, x squared, and y to the power of 6 over 5, y squared. When we say divide by this, we can say multiply by y to the power of 4 over 3 over, this is 4 over 3, over x to the power of 2 over 3. Do you see that? So you could write this in this fashion. When we say this divided by that, that means times, you flip them and write. So now we can combine the terms. We have x to the power of 1 over 3, and then you add, sorry, it is 3, and then add 2, and this one is in the denominator, you subtract 2 over 3. As far as y is concerned, we have y to the power of 6 over 5 plus 2 plus 4 over 3. So that is what we get, right? Now we can do the fraction parts. 1 over 3 plus 2 minus 2 over 3. Let's make a common denominator of 3, right? So if I take common denominator 3 here, I get 1 plus 3 times 2 is 6 minus 2. For y, the common denominator is 5 times 3, 15. So it is 15 here, right? That's the exponent part. 6 gets multiplied by 3, we get 18. 2 gets multiplied by 15, so we get plus 30. And 4 gets multiplied by 5, so we get plus 20, right? So this gives us x to the power of, so here we have 7 minus 2 as 5 over 3, right? So 5 over 3, and y is equals to, this was 20, right? 5 times 4, 20. 20 plus 30 is 50, 68. 68 over 15. That is the y power. So we have got it in the simplest form, which is x to the power of 5 over 3 times y to the power of 68 over 15. Now we can substitute these values, 8 for x, right? So when I say 8, 8 is 2 cubed. Do you see that? So cube root of 8 is 2, right? So what I'm trying to say is cube root of 8 is 2, right? So knowing this is helpful. Since I'm running out of space, I'll cut down on few steps here. So we have x to the power of 5 over 3. I'm substituting 8 for x. So 8 to the power of 5 over 3. And we have y as minus 1. Minus 1 to the power of 68 over 15. Now 8 to the power of 5 over 3, as I showed you, 8 could be written as 2 cubed, right? So we have 2 cubed times 5 over 3. 5 over 3. So I wrote 2 cubed for 8. And minus 1, this is even power. So it will give me plus 1. If we have even power, then we get plus 1. So we get 2 to the power of 5 when we simplify this, which is 32. So 32 is our answer for the given expression. I hope that helps. Thank you.